In this video, I'm going to show you how to share a Discord link on mobile device. So first thing, you have to open Discord. After opening your Discord, go to your home page and click the bottom right icon, which is your profile. And then from there, click the gears icon, which is at the top right corner. And from here, scroll down to advanced options. Switch on developer mode. Go back home. Open your chats with a friend or anything, any chats that's there. And then click on the name. And then click on the three dots which are on the top right corner. And then copy channel ID. After that, you can use notes. And then type on your notes, you can type HTTP and then this whole link, and then at the end of it you paste the number, and then you copy the whole number as it is. You could copy, or you could just decide to just share the number. And on this video, I'm just going to share it on WhatsApp. So you just open WhatsApp, then share.